cutting out the stringers. So there's sort of the beams that go underneath the steps. I have to do 18 of them. Back of the cabin, water from the tanks can come down via a hose and up to a tap into a sink. So I've found this old sink and cut it to size and got the initial plumbing done on it. What I'm going to do is build a frame of timber, have the cement board on top, drop the sink in, and that will do for this visit, but in the long term I then want to cast a concrete countertop on the top of the kitchen bench to finish it. I think I'm going to need to get a guard, a leaf guard on top of the gutter here. Check this one. What I want to see of this tank though is a slightly lesser amount of debris. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Clean as a whistle. Go for a mountain bike ride at some point tomorrow. Alright. Every time I dig something out, I've been trying to raise the level some of the land around the deck. Try and get at the rest there and then get nails on that side. There we go. Not the best scraper, but yeah, does the job. Putting in the mahi now. I wonder how many people have come up here with a bicycle. Pick a good line through here. Oh, little rock garden. You! Oh, it's a heck of a ride. Oh god. Grass is cut. So I'm working now on this deck, putting in these joists. So I've just put this one in, and then there's 4, 8, 10 left to do. And off each of those I need to hang another one of these. Some warm tomato soup, and just like that it's dark. I don't know how well I can really show you anything now on the deck. I was expecting it to be a lot wetter this morning, but here comes the rain. Okay, that's all I've got for now on this decking frame. Time to get out of here. This is my little tidying up routine.